You guys came last year. That was year 9.
Yes.
This is year 10, and this fashion extravaganza is going to be bigger and better than ever.
Definitely.
What can we expect?
I'm very excited about this year. Being the 10th year, we have several performers. King Combs is one, Vic Mensa.
Diddy's son.
Diddy's son.
Chicago's own Vic Mensa.
Chicago's own Vic Mensa. And also Queen Naja, new R&B sensation.
Wonderful.
So we're going to have phenomenal designers, models. It's going to be a good time.
So I've been telling everyone about this event because I'm super excited. Obviously, I'm a part of it. But this isn't just like a normal fashion show. And Rocky, you've been working one-on-one and working hand-in-hand with some of the organizers and some of the performers as well as the models. What can we expect on the fashion side?
Absolutely. This is more of a concert blended with fashion that you see locally and around the nation. So we do a unique blend of bringing in local talent as well as aspiring designers, aspiring models to present what they do best. So it's a great mix and a great show.
And Nate, I have to say, I've known you for a few years now, and I'm so happy to see the growth that this event has had. And you were Chicago's own, and you're up here doing it big. Just talk to me about what that's like to see a project like this come 10 years and to grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger every year.
It's really the energy from the city and the models, the talent, just really creating a platform for the aspiring models and designers really gives me energy to do more.
Yeah, and Chicago needs this because we're not New York, we're not LA, and we're proud of it. But a lot of people feel like they have to go to those cities or Atlanta in order to make it big, and you're actually giving these people a platform.
Exactly.
Yeah, and not just the models. We talked about the models and the fashion, the designers, that's a big deal.
Yes.
But you have a lot of other acts weaved within the fashion show as well, right?
Yes, musical. So what Hamilton is the opera, Surround Sound of Fashion is the fashion.
Oh,
it's very musical, where we have from violinists, guitar players, a drummer that you're going to actually see perform shortly, Trony. So go ahead.
Oh, no,
so I'm excited, especially about the music piece. It's really just pushing the envelope a little bit more from the traditional fashion show.
Okay, before we have a little preview, we're going to get to that in a second, but I know they said we have some video of King Combs. I just got to see King Combs because this is Diddy's son, and it's like, where did these kids, they were just like little babies, and now they've grown up. One's a rapper, I think one's into football as well, and he has some daughters as well. Like, he is just, look at this. They're just part of like his empire, Diddy's empire. So he's going to perform?
He is. He's performing live.
Okay, and Vic Mensa as well as Queen Naja. You guys got a lot going on.
A lot going
let's get into this. I want to see this preview of what's about to happen. And you and I, of course, we're going to talk more later. Designers, let's take it away. Make sure you head to surroundsoundofashion.com. That's where you can find all the ticket information.